I'm Miranda.
I'm Maya.
And we had huge plans to go around Copenhagen and do some really cool stuff today, but
we got some really Danish weather,
yeah,
so change your plans.
We were a bit lazy this morning waiting for the rain to go away, but now we're on the pedestrian walkway here in Copenhagen. We're going to stop into a bunch of shops. We're going to stop by the Round Tower to let you see that, and then we're also going to
go to Gasoline Grill, which is my favorite burger place in all of Copenhagen. I can't wait.
Yeah, so we're really excited to take you along, so come on.
Travel tip, these bathrooms right here are in the middle of all of this area here, and they're free and they're super clean. They're just so great to go into if you need something and don't want to go inside a building to go pay for something. They're super great.
Of Royal Copenhagen. This is the official royal pottery store of the monarchy, and it sits here on the pedestrian walkway. All of the stuff in here is incredibly expensive. One plate is around $80, but this beautiful Flora Danica pattern that is behind me was actually created as a gift for Catherine the Great. So it's been around since the 1790s. So stop in and take a look at some of the beautiful stuff that they have in here.
So now we're at Gasoline Grill, which is my favorite burger place in Copenhagen. It's so good. There's a few locations around the city, but now we're at this one. There's the other ones. One of them is actually a gas station, used to be. So now we're at this one, which is right next to all the pedestrian stuff, and I really recommend you come here if you're in the city.
To the top of the Round Tower, and we have this amazing view. Behind me you can see the bridge to Sweden. You have all of the beautiful buildings here in Copenhagen, and in front of me we actually have the observatory. The Round Tower is Europe's oldest still functioning observatory, and it dates back all the way to the 1600s when Christian IV built the tower. Unique feature about the Round Tower is, of course, the spiral walkway that goes all the way up to the top. And rumor has it, back in the day, Tsar Peter the Great actually rode his horse all the way from the bottom of the tower up to the observatory. In front of Søstrene Grene, which is actually one of our favorite stores. It's kind of like a swanky Five and Below. It has so many cool things. They have their own color palette. They have all kinds of crafts and kids things, and so we're gonna go inside and take a look at what they got. After walking through the pedestrian area, and we had a great day. So if you're ever in Copenhagen, be sure to come down and walk down the pedestrian walkway. It's a lot of fun. So until next time, bye! And so now we're going to be